The Osai Dam60-6 1254 BOO is a very specialized servo motor control that also includes embedded motion control circuits, which enable this motor control to be programmed to do intricate motor controls. This particular unit is out of a glass cutting machine that shapes glass. This control is one of two in the system that control the glass cutting head in one of the axes, either X or Y. As shown in this video, we are using the command software to enable the motor control and using the feedback from another motor to check the commutation. This motor control came to us completely dead, and the very customized motor was not easily removable from the system, so we used another motor to check it out. As a note of interest, this Osai driver is a very customized motor control from Baumuller, made for Osai. This product has many similarities to standard Baumuller products, but does not operate any of the standard Baumuller motors. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.